Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to delete your Sephora account. For this guys, first of all open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and just type in Sephora.com and here the search. Make sure it takes you to the official website of Sephora. Now guys, to delete your account, first of all you have to log into your account. At the top right of your screen you'll be able to see the profile icon. Just tap on it and scroll down a bit. You'll be able to see the account setting option. Just click on the account settings and guys, on this page scroll down a bit. We have to just click on the close account option. Over here, once you close your Sephora account, the following benefits will be immediately affected. If you are okay with that, just click on the check bar and hit on the close account button. Over here, you just need to enter your password and click on continue option. See guys, your account has been deleted. That's how you can delete your Sephora account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.